Okay, I've got it printed and I put it on my mat, and of course you're going to have the registration line on that for your machine to be able to read it, to be able to cut. You take it over to your machine and you put it in. Let's see if I can deal with this with one hand. And then you're going to go over to custom. And then back over to your computer. And you're going to go to view all. And you're looking for, let's see, you're looking for iron-ons, but you're looking for the dark iron-on. See the printable iron-on dark? That's the one you want. If you're using light, then you would choose light for the cut, but I'm using dark, so I'm using the dark. And we're going to hit done. And then I'm going to go back over to my machine and send it through. And you'll see the light come on. Oops, I had something back there. The light should come on in a minute to read it. There we go. It's reading the lines, the registration lines and everything to be able to cut. What I've noticed is when you print these out, the color looks a little light. It's like, oh, I really don't want that color. But once you apply the heat, it's like the color just gets really dark in the image. I don't know if you can see that in the video, but it looks like a little faded color. So once you put the heat press on it and give it that heat, it darkens up the color. I think it's funny how these machines know exactly where to cut after you print. I think these things are amazing. All right, it's ready to come out. And when you look at it, you're like, oh no, it didn't cut. It actually does cut it. Let me go over here. Let's see. It wastes a lot of paper. That's what I don't like, but it's okay. I'm trying to do this with one hand. I take my weeding tool, well, my dental tool that I got from Walmart, and I'm trying to do it with one hand. I go ahead and poke a hole to pick up the vinyl. Let's see if I can put this down for a second. I poke a hole in the transfer paper to get it to lift. Hold on, let's see. I wish I had a stand for the camera. To lift. And you have to be really careful with this paper because it's very, very thin. And you'll see this, the registration line coming up. That's fine because that's not the part that you want. Be real careful when you take this off. Trying to do it with one hand is hard. If I mess up, it's okay because I got more paper. All right, let's see. I think I got it all off. And then you're left with the image on the paper. Of course, you could have taken it off. I could have taken it off the mat, but I'm trying to do it all with one hand. And because you don't mirror the image, you'll have to take this off of the paper. And I may have to pause this for a second because I can't do it with one hand. But for this paper, you have to put the machine on 350. Mine's gone way above 350. No, it's not even there yet. The temperature has to be set on 350. And then you get like tissue paper that comes with the paper that you put on top of the image. I'll show you here in just a second. I hate to do this, but I'm going to pause it again so I can set this up to show you.